Did you know that Paris transforms into a magical wonderland at night with illuminated landmarks and a street life that's very different from the daytime? So join me today as I go on to exploring some of the center of Paris here. I was on my way to Notre Dame, so going through some narrow streets in the Latin Quarter, looking at some terraces. As you can see here, think about it, it was February, middle of February, so winter time, and it was a weekday. So despite the cold weather and the fact that people were going to work the next day, you had quite a few people just sitting, chilling, enjoying dinner, having a glass of wine, a cafe, just enjoying life downtown Paris. So walk with me here as we go through these streets full of lights, totally beautiful, and so much more quiet than during the day. Myself, I prefer and I always preferred walking through Paris at night just because of the lights, the different crowd, different atmosphere, a lot more quiet. You don't have people rushing to work, back from work, a lot less cars. It's just something different. I would totally encourage you to experience it if you're in Paris. Spend some time in the evening at dark. It's safe, so no, unless you go into but special areas. But here in the center of Paris, touristic landmarks, Latin area, you're very safe. So I would definitely encourage, and please tag along for the walk here. So we'll start going through these streets and then head to Notre Dame, and we'll finish the video with a walkthrough, very short one this time, Notre Dame. If you want to see the full video at daytime, I will put the link in the description and you can have a better look, because I do think it's better to actually visit Notre Dame during the day than at night. Enjoy! Time to visit Notre Dame 8 p.m. and look at that beauty at night. I think it's even more beautiful at night than during the day. I love it with the lights. Here we are in front of the cathedral at night, 8 p.m. Thursday night. It is the evening when they open it up to 10, I believe. And yes, it is empty, literally. There is no line. You can just show up and you walk straight in. So I would definitely recommend, if you're busy, you don't have the time, Thursday night is the night. However, if it's, in my opinion, more beautiful from the outside with the lights, on the inside it is darker, and I do think it is more beautiful during the day when you actually have the sun shining through the tinted glass reflected on the inside of the church. So it's a question of taste, of time. If you can reserve in advance, it's free on the website. You can reserve 2-3 days in advance. You just have to be there at midnight French time, which is 5 p.m. Central Time for the US, to be able to reserve and get the time you want for the day. But as I said, Thursday evening, you can just walk in pretty much. So I'll let you enjoy with the live music. just out of Notre Dame, heading back to the hotel to sleep because I am tired, but that was well worth the visit. It's so well done inside. I was really impressed. What I remember is a pretty dark church, you know. I mean, of course, especially now it's night, so it's gonna be darker, but they just redid everything. The stone is so white with the lights, it's just so bright. And the colors they put in, they painted some of the little chapels in the back. I don't remember these colors, to be honest. It used to be darker colors, maybe a darker blue, and here you've got this blue, I mean, full of light. It is beautiful, really very well done. The status, they've got the statue of Notre Dame, beautiful as well. I mean, it's a masterpiece. It's tremendous, the work they've done. I mean, rebuilding the whole thing and then pretty much making it look even better than what it was, because it needed a good clean anyway, so it got it. It was totally restored. It's wow, well worth the visit and the wait if you have to wait, but I would highly recommend for you to reserve online first of all, and if you don't mind the dark, go on Thursday evening. But that being said, there is something, you don't see the lights of the windows, the tainted glasses in the dark. So that's something, and I know they are beautiful. The two big flowers, the roses on each side, they are the, I hope, original. I don't know, maybe they're replaced with something else, but they used to be impressive because they were not destroyed, unlike a lot of other churches. So they were beautiful. But in the dark, you can see it's just dark. So that's really the only thing. But I have another ticket for tomorrow, so I might actually go back and compare. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.